Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, paucity. Spelling, P-A-U-C-I-T-Y. Meaning, the presence of something in very minute quantities, scarcity or lack of a certain resource or quality. Synonyms, scarcity, dearth, shortage. Antonyms, abundance, plenty, sufficiency. Usage. There's an awful paucity of affordable housing in major cities, which creates massive levels of homelessness. The paucity of funding for arts programs in Newfoundland has really limited the number of artists and other creatives launching new projects. Word, pejorative. Spelling, P-E-J-O-R-A-T-I-V-E. Meaning, having a disparaging, derogatory, or belittling meaning or effect. Synonyms, deprecatory, derogatory, disparaging. Antonyms, complimentary, flattering. Usage. The ling in princeling is a pejorative suffix. Using terms like bean counter for an accountant is pejorative. Word, penultimate. Spelling, P-E-N-U-L-T-I-M-A-T-E. Meaning, next to last, second to last, immediately preceding the end of a sequence, list, etc. Synonyms, next to last, second to last. Antonyms, first, initial. Usage. The penultimate stage of the competition was the most challenging. The penultimate chapter of the book sets up the final climax. Word, perfidious. Spelling, P-E-R-F-I-D-I-O-U-S. Meaning, guilty of or characterized by betrayal of trust, treacherous, deceitful. Synonyms, treacherous, dishonest, false. Antonyms, faithful, loyal, trustworthy. Usage. Their perfidious actions led to the downfall of the company. The perfidious lover betrayed her partner's trust. Word, permeate. Spelling, P-E-R-M-E-A-T-E. Meaning, to diffuse or spread throughout a given area, object, or entity. Synonyms, diffuse, spread, penetrate. Antonyms, contain, restrict. Usage. The new policy is meant to permeate all levels of the organization. The scent of freshly baked cookies permeated the entire house. Word, pernicious. Spelling, P-E-R-N-I-C-I-O-U-S. Meaning, causing harm or damage. Synonyms, harmful, damaging, destructive. Antonyms, beneficial, harmless, advantageous. Usage. The pernicious effects of pollution on the environment are well documented. Her pernicious behavior towards her colleagues led to her dismissal. Word, perspicacity. Spelling, P-E-R-S-P-I-C-A-C-I-T-Y. Meaning, keenness of mental perception and understanding, discernment, penetration. Synonyms, shrewdness, acuity, astuteness. Antonyms, obtuseness. Usage. Her perspicacity in business allowed her to make wise investment decisions. The detective's perspicacity helped him solve the complex case. Word, pertinacious. Spelling, P-E-R-T-I-N-A-C-I-O-U-S. Meaning, unyielding, persistent, resolute. Synonyms, persistent, resolute, determined. Antonyms, yielding, flexible, compliant. Usage. The pertinacious athlete refused to give up despite the challenging conditions. Her pertinacious nature made her a formidable opponent in debates. Word, pinnacle. Spelling, P-I-N-A-C-L-E. Meaning, the highest point, culmination, acme. Synonyms, peak, summit, height. Antonyms, base, bottom, nadir. Usage. The pinnacle of her career was winning the prestigious award. The mountain's pinnacle was shrouded in mist. Word, pithy. Spelling, P-I-T-H-Y. Meaning, precisely meaningful, forceful, and brief. Synonyms, concise, succinct, terse. Antonyms, verbose, lengthy, rambling. Usage. The pithy comment from the critic summed up the movie's flaws. Her pithy speech at the conference left a lasting impression. Word, placate. Spelling, P-L-A-C-A-T-E. Meaning, to appease or pacify someone by giving in to their demands or by making concessions. Synonyms, appease, pacify, soothe. Antonyms, provoke, irritate, annoy. Usage. The company tried to placate the angry customers by offering them a refund. The politician attempted to placate the protesters by promising to address their concerns. Word, platitude. Spelling, Platitude. Meaning, a trite, dull, or obvious remark or statement, often uttered as if it were fresh or profound. Synonyms: cliché, truism, commonplace. Antonyms: originality, profundity, insight. Usage: the politician's speech was full of platitudes and lacked any real substance. The teacher's advice to follow your dreams sounded like a platitude to the disillusioned student. Word, plethora. Spelling, Plethora. Meaning, an abundance or excess of something. Synonyms: abundance, excess, surplus. Antonyms: scarcity, dearth, lack. Usage: the city had a plethora of restaurants to choose from, catering to all tastes and cuisines. The company had a plethora of job applicants, making it difficult to select the best candidate. Word, pliable. Spelling, Pliable. Meaning, easily bent, molded, or shaped without breaking or losing its form. Synonyms: flexible, adaptable, malleable. Antonyms: rigid, inflexible, brittle. Usage: the pliable material was ideal for crafting intricate sculptures. The new employee was pliable and quickly adjusted to the company's work culture. Word, poignant. Spelling, Poignant. Meaning, evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret, often in a subtle or suggestive way. Synonyms: moving, touching, affecting. Antonyms: cheerful, joyful, uplifting. Usage: the poignant ending of the movie left the audience in tears. The old photograph was a poignant reminder of happier times. Word, portent. Spelling, Portent. Meaning, a sign or indication of a future event, especially a momentous or calamitous one. Synonyms: omen, sign, warning. Antonyms: none. Usage: the savage civil war there could be a portent of what's to come in the rest of the region. A cry of dire portent echoed through the valley. Word, precipice. Spelling, Precipice. Meaning, a steep, vertical cliff or the edge of a dangerous height. Synonyms: cliff, edge, brink. Antonyms: plain, plateau. Usage: she stood on the edge of the precipice, feeling a rush of adrenaline. The hiker found himself on the precipice of a deep ravine. Word, predilection. Spelling, Predilection. Meaning, a strong liking or preference for something. Synonyms: bias, inclination, leaning. Antonyms: aversion, dislike. Usage: he has a predilection for classical music. Her predilection for adventure led her to travel the world. Word, preponderance. Spelling, Preponderance. Meaning, the quality of being greater in weight, force, influence, etc. Synonyms: predominance, majority, mass. Antonyms: minority, scarcity. Usage: the preponderance of votes is against the proposal. The preponderance of evidence suggests he is guilty. Word, presage. Spelling, Presage. Meaning, a sign or warning of a future event, omen, portent. Synonyms: omen, portent, sign. Antonyms: none. Usage: the incidents may presage war. The dark clouds presaged a storm. Word, prescient. Spelling, Prescient. Meaning, having knowledge of events before they take place. Synonyms: prophetic, foresighted, clairvoyant. Antonyms: unaware, ignorant. Usage: she had a prescient dream about the accident. His prescient warnings about the economic downturn were ignored. Word, primeval. Spelling, Primeval. Meaning, of or pertaining to the first age or ages, especially of the world. Synonyms: primordial, primal, ancient. Antonyms: modern, recent. Usage: the primeval forests were untouched by human civilization. He had a primeval fear of snakes that he couldn't explain. Word, probity. Spelling, Probity. Meaning, uprightness in one's dealings, integrity. Synonyms: integrity, honesty, morality. Antonyms: dishonesty, corruption. Usage: the judge was known for his probity and fairness. The company's probity was questioned after the scandal. Word: proclivity. Spelling: proclivity. Meaning: a natural or habitual inclination or tendency. Synonyms: tendency, inclination, predisposition. Antonyms: aversion, dislike. Usage: he had a proclivity for daydreaming during class. Her proclivity for taking risks often led to exciting adventures. Word: procure. Spelling: procure. Meaning: to obtain or acquire something, especially by effort or skill. Synonyms: acquire, obtain, secure. Antonyms: lose, relinquish. Usage: she was able to procure a rare book for her research. The company will procure the necessary materials for the project. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.